today we're going to be installing the sliding guide kit. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be putting a range of parts on this GasGas to make it race ready.
The Team D kit includes a front slider, power lip lower frame pad, and a factory edition rear chain guide. Our slider has been tested by the KTM race team, giving it a new angle and height to help decrease chain torque effect. The slider has friction reducing additives to reduce friction and increase horsepower. Our FE No. 2 chain guide is designed with a low-cost replaceable wear pad that accepts any O-ring chain and a rear sprocket up to 2 teeth larger. These are the same components used by top off-road racers and teams. This kit can be used for all of the off-road riding and racing you can throw at it.
That's it for today, guys. With just a quick few minutes of working on your bike, we have your bike now race ready and well protected. Check out our website and stay tuned with our social media to stay up to date with our latest racing and product news. We'll see you out on the trails.